Do you guys face difficulties while trying to insert images in your Microsoft Word document, especially with the alignment? Like you set all things up in proper alignment, and when you insert an image in the decide space, everything messes up. I've got the solution for you guys.
No!
Wait a minute! Who are you?
Hey guys, it's me Petson from the YouTube channel Being Smart, and welcome to another video. I know it has been long since I've posted any videos, guys, because of my post-graduation medical residency program. I'm sorry about that, guys, and without any further ado, let us jump right into the solution. This works for both Windows as well as Mac OS, guys. As you can see, I have a document here with me for which I want to insert a picture inside this document. Straight to the point. To insert a picture, you can do it by two ways, guys. Number one, go to the insert section, and from that, insert image, and from this, you can select a picture from the file. Number two, you can directly drag and drop the image into the Word document. So here, I'm going to drag and drop the image into this Word document. As you can see, as soon as I dragged and dropped the image, all the alignment went haphazard, guys, right? Wherever I drag this image, the alignment is getting worse. So to fix this, all you need to do is right click on this image and search for the option wrap text. Once you see wrap text, select in front of the text. So once this is selected, now you can freely drag the image to the desired space without disturbing any alignment. As simple as that, guys. This works even if you want to place any logo in the top or any other picture in any place of this Word document. I hope this video helped you guys, and if it did, please do subscribe Being Smart and like this video. On this channel we post a lot of videos that will boost up your smartness, and I'm sure that you guys won't regret subscribing. And also in the comment section, do let me know what all problems you face on Microsoft Office, be it Microsoft Word or Microsoft Excel, and I'll try my best to bring you the solution and make videos. Thank you guys. Have a great day.